Hi, I'm Melanie LaRoe. I am a fourth grade classroom teacher here at Glickman Elementary School. We just finished the first half of professional development by Dr. Boz, Creating Caring Classrooms. I really appreciated how she dived into the definitions of trauma and the different responses. It was really helpful because I was able to reflect on the responses I've seen within my students, but also within myself, and it just kind of gave me a lot to reflect and think about. And at the end, we did an immersive opportunity to kind of get a sense of the way some of our systems have impacted the family systems, and kind of getting to think about why things appear the way they are, and then understanding that it's much deeper, and just kind of makes me feel more curious and want to learn more.